In this video, I'm going to show you how to put an opening balance in Wave Accounting. So to set this up, you can either record a journal entry or add a deposit transaction. So we're going to add a journal entry right now. So to do this, you want to first choose the start date. So just pick like a specific cutoff date, usually the date before you start tracking new transactions in Wave, for example, like December 31st or whatever. And then you want to gather your balances. So you have to collect your past balances for all assets. So for example, bank accounts, and of course liabilities like loans, credit cards, etc. as of that date. Then you want to create a journal entry, so go to accounting over here on the left and click on transactions. In here, you want to click on add transaction up top, and then whenever you do that, you want to click on add journal entry. Now over here, you'll have to basically do the following. So for debit and credit card accounts, you'll have to basically put in assets, and you have to add a debit for the exact amount in each asset account. And then for liabilities, you'll have to add a credit for the balance of each liability account. So we have to put these over here, and then you can of course just do this, like take your time and do it over here. So for example, you can do account. So let's just say we have assets over here. For assets, I'm just going to put these over here. So assets are going to be these three right now. If I add lines, there we go. You'll have to put debit for these. So for example, I'm going to do 100 for each of these just to not complicate things over here, just like that. There we go. We've put it as 100, 100, 100. There we go. And of course, you can add descriptions as well if you want to. I'm just going to skip descriptions right now. And then what you want to do for liabilities, so when you go to liabilities over here, you want to go and add a credit for the balance. So I'm going to add a new one over here because I have two liabilities, I think. Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to do this one as well. And then of course you can do this over here too. So you can basically enter them over here, like 100 for example, and then like this. There we go. And of course, whenever you've done this, oops, I actually mistakenly have put these in here. They should be under credit, as I said over here. There we go. So you can essentially just keep on doing this and keep on typing these in here, keep on adding lines and essentially kind of even this out. So for example, if I put this to 100, there we go. Now it's working. And then you have to basically balance it with equity, okay? So your total debits must be equal to your total credits, like they are in my case right now. And you can use the owner's equity or opening balance equity account to balance out the remaining difference. So let's just say it's going to be 100 over here. Then you can add a new line with a new account over here. And then you can find a different one over here, which for some reason for me, it's not showing well. There we go. Now it's much, much better. You could do like, for example, you could create a new one like opening balance equity, or you could use like owner, this one over here. So owner's equity, and you could go ahead and put in the remainder over here as well. And then whenever it's balanced, you can simply click on the save button. And there we go. You've essentially done it. Okay, that's how to put in your of course opening balance. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.